Augmented reality is a dynamic and engaging technology, but it faces a critical challenge, the lack of seamless integration with enterprise data. FME by Safe Software is the solution that bridges the gap between your data and AR headsets. With FME, data flows securely and in real time from storage to the AR headset. FME data integration capabilities combined with Sphere AR app enhance the AR experience and unlock new possibilities. FME and Sphere are reshaping the future of AR, breaking down data barriers for users. Let's go over a simple yet very popular scenario, bringing enterprise workflows to an AR headset. What is a workflow? It is a series of interconnected, repeatable, and organized steps or tasks designed to achieve a specific goal. Workflows are commonly used in various industries and processes to streamline and automate tasks, ensuring efficiency and consistency. Traditionally, workflows are stored in formats like XML, JSON, PDFs, texts, or databases. How can we turn a simple XML document into an interactive Sphere workflow inside a Magic Leap headset? And moreover, once we complete the workflow, how can we take its results and bring them to a system that is easy to view and share with all interested parties? You already know the answer, it is FME, but I'll dive into the details. Stay tuned, it won't take long. Your workflows can live anywhere, in a database, in your local file system, in Dropbox or Amazon S3 bucket, a PLM, PDM system, and so on. Here you can see an XML file with step-by-step instructions how to install a wall TV, which lives in Autodesk Construction Cloud. Have a closer look at the file. It defines installation steps of different kinds, contains lists, can have attachments, and so on. FME Form, the no-code visual environment where you design your data transformation, receives the XML from its current location, Autodesk Cloud in this case, takes the XML apart and processes each step separately by creating JSON snippets, which then aggregated into an HTTP POST request that, using Sphere API, creates the workflow and populates the steps with all the necessary actions and options that came from the XML. Now, if we go to Sphere web interface, we'll see the visual representation of a Sphere workflow. All the XML steps were transformed into the connected Sphere steps. If at some point your XML changes, you simply rerun the FME transformation and the workflow also gets updated. No manual work is needed. The workflow is ready and available in the Magic Leap 2 headset. Let's open Sphere up and explore how the original XML works as an AR experience. We can see steps which can look like simple messages or be interactive. That is, they allow input from a user or can display attachments or do both. Like in this case, we see the necessary tools in an attachment represented by a photo on the right and have a multiple choice dialog where we can mark what we really have, which would indicate whether we are equipped with everything necessary for installation. Our next step tells us to take a photo. While I'm taking the picture and check the results, I'll tell you more about the steps in the Sphere workflow. They can be quite different. We can have checklists, we can take photos and videos, enter text or numeric values, and so on. The attachments can be simple images and documents, or they can be sophisticated 3D models. As you can see, I explore the floor plan, find the room I need, and enter it into the form. Then I try a model of a TV set and see how it fits on the wall before I install it. Fast forward to the final steps when the TV is already installed. The workflow instructs us to take another photo so that at the end we have before and after images of the wall. A couple more steps before we finish. Let's enter the brand of the TV and its serial number. Please notice these values for later. The workflow is complete, but before we submit it by pressing Send button, let's switch to FME for a few moments. I created another FME workspace that can send requests to Sphere API and get the results of the workflow execution in the form of a JSON file. The JSON is analyzed and the necessary results, such as office number, the brand, and serial number of the TV set, are extracted and sent to a spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Moreover, I have an FME automation that runs every minute, and as soon as the workspace detects changes, that is, there is a freshly submitted workflow in the Sphere environment, it adds the new record to Google Sheets. And this is exactly what is happening once we press the Send button. Within a minute, the FME automation triggers the transformation, and in a couple of seconds, we see a new line added to Google Sheets. So this was a quick introduction to FME and Sphere integration. As you can see, FME allows moving any enterprise data to, and no less important, from the Sphere environment automatically in a very flexible manner with no coding involved. Thanks for watching.